That's as far as I can go. Please. Let's get some light on the subject. Here I am, it's Johnyboy. We're back in the office, and as you can see, I still haven't had a shave at the moment. But what more do you want? It's a wet autumn day as per usual. We're having a lot of wet weather at the moment, and we're back on the grind today. Now, on a serious note, this is a day of opportunity. Our client has told us that it's going to be a wet day in Bristol today, so she doesn't expect us today. That's absolutely fine, that's no problem at all. So she's given us the green light basically to have the day off. Now this is an opportunity to get some other things done I need to do, and you're going to say to yourself, he's back on some of those other projects. But the fact is, I've been away. We got a few bits and pieces just to clear up. We're owed money, we got to get it done. So there are things we can do today that will help us to progress to get those two jobs completed, and those two clients accept that they've been away on holiday, I've been away on holiday, and we've had all this wet weather. What a nightmare.
Molly's left his window open on the car.
Well, that would have been a real excuse. I've had them all off Andy over the years, all the excuses. Apparently he couldn't get out of his front door as he was locked in, so I just want to show you my new hoodie, Green Top Landscapes. But one thing I noticed when I was singing now here in the range in Cardiff this morning, they were all a little bit perplexed, and then they started laughing, and then I realised that they were actually enjoying my singing, so it's going to be a positive day, I think. Now, just want to point out, you all know who I am. They don't know who I am, and I'm Johnyboy, as you all know. And I'm in the range in Cardiff, and I've been in here several times, and customer service is without doubt second to none. Look, all these smiling faces here now. Isn't it great when we have an audience? I'm going to let them get on with it now. Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry, Joe.
You know, I film everything, and we're in the range in Cardiff, and as you know, I'm into my blades with ruby and macris. I like a good diamond cutting blade, but Andrew is what we call a happy shopper. And what have you got here, Andrew?
Well, it's this $7.99.
$7.99, and we're going to give it a go. But what we're going to do, we're going to make sure we stand a good distance, because it might blow up or something, like, you know. He's just talking now, and he's come back to work for me after all these years. I think he's just getting on my nerves now. No, seriously, we've just been in the range in Cardiff, and I've got to say, the regional manager for the range around the Cardiff area is a lad called Michael. Very nice guy. He wasn't there this morning, but I think it was Emma now was in charge there, and the staff are really, really nice, and that's probably because I'm nice. So I don't know, were they really nice? I'm getting confused now. Just come into Data Power Tool in Cardiff, and I tell you what, they got some fantastic stuff in here. Brilliant product. Just going to get a blade now. There we are. 54 amp. Well, we're in the van now. We're back in the office, and I didn't show much enthusiasm in there. I tried to, but we're at Data Power Tools in Cardiff. They used to be in Newport, didn't they, years ago, like in a small little branch, and they got a bit of a bigger branch now. I think they got a branch somewhere else. Now they do everything in there. Just picked up this DeWalt. It's just a multi-purpose blade for cutting softwoods, and you know, your decking and your softwoods, etc. But I'll tell you now, right? Customer service in there. They need to go to the range and learn what customer service is all about, because they totally bored me in there. Maybe it's me. Well, here we are. We're back on this job in Cardiff, and we've got a brush of sand in, but the sun's coming out now, but it's been pouring down all morning, so it's just going to look a mess, and there's no way I'm going to try and brush sand until it's perfectly dry. Maybe we'll come out later. I don't know. I haven't got a clue really what we're going to do. Got to cut down a little bit off the gate there, and we've got to cut those posts down so we're all done here. But when you actually look at this driveway here and the transformation of what it was like and what it's at now, it looks absolutely fantastic. It was just a real mixed bag here before, and it wasn't very good at all. I'm always worried about using these Staffordshire blues because you've really got to sort of get on top of it and you know, get your mortar right and make sure your bricks are dry as well with it. So I'm having a call anyway, and I have to get that. Well, we've decided, Andrew and I, that we're going to throw all the saws. So whoever complained originally, I think I knew it was, about the saws being hung up there. There we are, just for you, my friend. You know who you are. There's an empty hook there.
Young John, how many bags of all in do you have?
6 bags, small bags of all in, and 1 bag of cement.
Okay, young John.
This is without doubt a place where you can come along and you can feel totally relaxed and comfortable. And when the staff inform you that you look younger and younger and younger, that's when you start realising that they just want your money. So thank you much for that, Steve, but I'm not going to,
Hey,
I don't believe a word you say.
it's not a problem. I always tell the truth.
And just, you know, I don't know whether I should touch you at this point because it could be regarded as a sexual harassment.
No,
but I'm
you
going to
can't-
do
you
it.
carry on and
I'm going
touch
to do
me.
it. I just want to say thank you for all your your service rather, in your customer service in Jewson's over the years. It's been absolutely second to none. And if you want to kiss me, you can't. All right.
I'll give that one a miss, but thank you very much anyway.
Well, there you are, now hiring. Join our amazing team at Metro Bank, the new drive-through bank. Drive-through bank. Things aren't so bad after all, are they? Well, here we are. We've returned to this project here in Newport where we've done the aero decking, and you can see how beautiful the decking is and how the aero board repels the water, and it looks great. Look how long the grass is. The grass needs a cut, but you can see how there's 2 circles and the clear definition that the path actually creates for the grass, and it's like 2 small islands, and it works perfectly. And even little ginger went all the way around the garden. Let's have a look on this side now. Let's just come back round here. That's the fence that we started painting, but they didn't have enough paint, and we look back over here and it looks great. So what we've got to do, we've got to put a brick edge in now on the right hand side, so there'll be a clear definition between the grass and the pebbles. Should have thought of it, got it wrong, but we're going to do that now. Well, that's it. Nearly back in the office. Just went and seen a client. Oops. Went and seen a client, and he's had probably 5 or 6 people that's gone there, and he likes a couple of them. He's not inspired by all of them because he said that sometimes when they go out, they don't reflect who they are on their website. Now, what I've tried to do over the years is by doing those videos, and people can actually see me on those videos. They see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, and it gives you a real insight to who I am. And if they don't like me, that's absolutely fine, but you know, the camera doesn't lie. No, it doesn't. It's me, it's Johnyboy. What a day, eh, for some of you guys up and girls up and down the country working and doing the daily grind in the wet. It's not good at all. I've just got in now. We're going to have a hot cup of tea. Alison and I are going to sit by the log fire, and we're going to sit down by the wood burner, and we're going to enjoy the heat because we need the heat now. It's going to be a cold winter, I think, this year. If you haven't already subscribed to the video, make sure you subscribe. But before I go, I just want to say thanks, Paul, for the message today that Brenda up in Stretford has been watching the videos. Brenda, I hope you enjoy the videos. If there's anything particular that you would like to see or you want me to show, just let us know. Thanks very much, and enjoy the videos, Brenda. Thanks.